Hello guys, and welcome to the first episode of the Craft Vault collaboration 2021 with Jamie, who is Poetspice, and this is a year-long collaboration, and it's going to be uploading on the third Friday of every month. And this collaboration basically is pulling out all your stuff that's older than 6 months. My God, we can go back 10 years. What, I've been here 17 years. We can go back years and find stuff that I haven't used or it's been a while. So this is a great way to use your stash. And I'm going to have all of the parties who's participating listed in the box below. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 participants for this collaboration. There is a hashtag, and the hashtag is, oh, I don't see the hashtag. Okay, I'll look for the hashtag and put it in the box below. Oh, okay, here it is. Play along, do VR and Instagram responses. Use Poetspice Collab 2021. And don't forget, it is at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. And guys, I am going to show you what my first project is going to be. And then I'll be back with the actual projects. I am pulling out one of my Crafter's Companions kits. It is a card kit. I have had this. It says $9.19. I have had it way over a year. Yeah, honey, I bought it because, you know, and I look at them every time I'm in Tuesday morning. And I saw one today that I should have got it because I really liked it. So this one is called, what is it called? This was kit number 6. And it includes aqua markers, clear stamps, 3 markers, 44 pieces of stamps, card blanks 18, envelopes 18, watercolor card 14 pieces, colored card 18 pieces, die cut sentiments. And guys, we are going to make ourselves 18 cards at least. And I am going to show you, I didn't even open these. Okay, there you go. I did open it at some point. So guys, this is the box, and here there's a little thank you for your purchase in there, and this is the stamp set. There are butterflies and flowers, and let's move those, and there are square cards. Oh, there are 3 different card sizes, and there's look like a 5x5 square and A2 size, and looks like a 5x7 size. And then there is your marker. You got a rose pink, kingfisher, and yellow. There are words here, die cut sentiments, and it says smile, hope, hello, faith, love, and dream. And then you have paper, which is, these are your watercolor sheets, and then these are your other sheets. So it looks like about 8x8 sizes. So guys, stay tuned. I will be back with this for my first projects, and I plan to make all of the cards. So see you soon. Hey guys, I'm back with the rest of the items that I used on my projects. I used these circle dies from We Are Memory Keepers. I really love this set, and they cut so big, and then you have so many different sizes to choose from. Just perfect. It's amazing how long I had that before I started using them. I used a couple sheets from this, okay, here we go. Okay, we are memory keepers. These are good paper, glassine paper to make goodie bags and what have you. We got this at Expo a couple years ago from one of the classes that we did. And I looked at the papers and I thought, okay, but it's real thin, but the colors were perfect to go with this Crafter's Companion kit. I used, let's see, this stamp set from Crafter's Companion, and this is just a crafty fun collection. It's got a lot of sayings that are craft related. Do something creative every day, craft friends, we are cut out to be friends, craft life, and I bought these for that very reason. So I bought 2 sets, but this is the one that I used. I used this happy birthday stamp, and I think I used this be yourself, nobody does it better, or I pulled it to use. So we'll put those over there so that they can go to the trash. I mean to the trash, to the back to the drawer. What else did I use? I'm going to show you what's left. Okay, so this is the box, and this is, I've got my cards. It had 3 different size cards, 5x7, 5x5, and A2. And the paper that I didn't use is the watercolor paper. I don't watercolor, and it was just, I went another way. Okay, so then there's that. I'm going to use that for some mixed media stuff, but for now it's that. It had these die cuts, and after I colored them with the markers, which there were 3 markers, which so, and I got there were 3 of those, and so I colored these, but then seriously, I'm going to use them for something else, but they just weren't, I wasn't feeling them, so I did not use those after coloring them. And I was wishing like, oh, I wish I had did something else, but we're going to keep those because I'm trying to think of some way that I can use them. So guys, I did end up making up all of the cards. I did 4 that I just left the card bases. So that's that. I'm so excited that most of this was used. Move it out the way. These are the 4 that I did not, 4 that I just did the bases. I put them together because I need some little kids cards, and I couldn't find the items that I wanted to use with them, so I am going to make some children's cards out of these for birthdays. I've got, oh Lord, birthdays coming up, and so that is what I went with. So I needed some generic birthday cards, and since I really, after going through that box, I really wasn't excited about anything that was in it. The stamp set that was in there just, oh, what happened to it? Oh, here. I did not feel like doing a lot of coloring, and this is all that was in there stamp wise, and it was just like, you know what, that ain't doing a thing for me, so I decided not to use them. But I used those stamps, and I just made some generic birthday cards because there are some people at work that I want to give cards, but I just want, you know, we aren't really friends, just people that I work with. So I just sometimes want to do a card, so I'm going to map the insides later. So I use that stamp set, and I use, crap, where did the die set go? Oh, I'm sorry guys, I had a die set that, I don't know where it is. It was one of the momentous sets, and I meant to leave it out. This is dragging on, sorry. Anyway, I had this die set from Momenta. It was actually one of the ones that I bought at Hobby Lobby on clearance. That is weird that it's not right out where I could get to it. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I don't see it, and I'm not going to waste the time looking for it. But I used one of the new dies that I bought at Hobby Lobby, and I just wanted some basic, simple cards. And this is the paper from the glassine pack. So I did that one. And then I did that one. And when I get ready to give them somebody, if, you know, I'm going to kind of jazz them up a little bit with some bling and stuff. So you see, I like that octagon one. It's totally different. These are very basic and not something that I usually do, because normally for my immediate family, you know, I go all out with all the girls and the different things, but I needed something that was just a basic card. Okay, so those are the 5x7 ones, and then this is another die set. This is a tonic die, and that's why I'm thinking this is weird, because I used the tonic one and that Momenta one, and I can't understand why it's not right here on the desk. But like I said, we are not going to spend a lot more time looking for that, and so I liked this die. And I didn't put anything in the inside because I will decorate some more and do the, you know, inside stuff. But that's one. And I just used all that paper, all these papers here, the purples and the pinks and the yellows and the greens, that was all in that box. They were 8x8 sheets. So I used that. It said, so that die set came with 3 different centers. And one was birth. So it says on your birthday. This one said, and that was special, on your special day. And then the third one, I can't show you. I forget what it said because all I did was birthday and special. So that one. And like I said, I'll add bling to the corners or something. And then here's this one. And then here's this one. So guys, that is all of my, oh, I'm sorry, I did 3, I got 3 more. So then I used that stamp set from the Crafter's Companion, and this is one of the cards I do, and this is for like one of my crafty friends, and it just says do something creative every day. And not too long ago, last year, we made embellishments, one of the Saturday morning challenge of friends, I think it was, and this is one of the embellishments that I made. And I thought, you know what, I got this stuff just laying there, and I just thought it would make a really good card front. So I really love how this one turned out, and this is just another sheet of that paper. It's thin, so you get the little crinkles and wrinkles, but I really like that look. And then this is the second one, using that do something creative every day. So guys, those are my projects. I am so excited that I used up most of that kit. I can get rid of that box, okay? And this is for the Craft Vault collaboration. And so I am excited, guys. That box can go because they sit under my desk. All of my kits do, and they sit up close under my desk. And it's just good to be gone. So thank you so much for watching. I will have a list of all of the participants in the box below. Go by and check them out. Check out Jamie, and there is a hashtag which I will post in the bottom, and it just says Poetspice Collaboration 2021, and that is it. I really appreciate you coming by and sharing this day with me, and I'll be back next month because this is going to be a monthly challenge, and I said that in the first clip. This is annual, it's a yearly, I'm sorry. And so every month we will be doing videos sharing things that we've made with products that we've had in our stash for over 6 months. And this one is just about a year since I bought this kit. So guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.